Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn something fun. Addition. Addition means putting things together. Look, we have 2 apples. Now we add 1 more apple, so 2 plus 1 equals 3. Wow! Look at the balloons. There are 4 balloons. 2 more balloons come in. Now we have 6 balloons. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Here are 3 ducks in the pond. 2 more ducks join them. Now we have 5 ducks. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Look at the cars. There are 4 cars. 3 more cars come in. Now there are 7 cars. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Addition means putting things together. The more we add, the bigger the number becomes. Now it's your turn. Look carefully. There are 3 butterflies, and 2 more butterflies join. How many butterflies are there in total?
5 butterflies. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Great job! The answer is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now you can do addition. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you in the next video.